So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend for the day on our EURJPY. Remember guys, before you take a trade, you need to know your trend. Once you know your trend, you have to now trade with the trend. Let's zoom it out. What can you say the trend is on your JPY? You all know that we have three main movements in the market. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. Now, if you zoom it in right here, you see that within this level right here, market's literally ranged, right? Market's ranged within this level. Also, if you take a look at it right here, market literally trend up right here. This is an uptrend. This is a ranging market move. And also market was trend to the downside also. You can see the market has once given us that three movements. But when you take a look at what market is doing right now, you can see that market is doing something which is trending to the upside. Our overall movement on EURJPY is an uptrend move. Now guys, take a look at this movement. Pay attention to this movement right here. This was once a rejection zone, which you can take to be as our support zone. This was once our support level, right? Market eventually came back to retest it, and guess what market did? Market eventually gave us a double bottom. You can now see a double bottom on our daily time frame. EURJPY did give us a double bottom on the daily time frame. So that is an indication that market is what's going to be pushing us. So we are very much on a bullish market move, right? So market has once drop to tap our support level one, which serve as a confidence that market will push up, right? Now market has now given us a double bottom, which also show a possibility that market will be pushing up, and coupled with the fact that the overall movement is an uptrend. So we will be expecting EURJPY to give us a bullish move for the day. So we should be anticipating a movement to the upside on our EURJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So subscribe in order for us to miss out on the updates.